Hello guys, just a quick video, short update about something that happened with Meta. Let me show you this picture over here. So it says work accounts gives you access to Meta work tools. Use Meta work accounts to log into Meta devices and services for work. No personal accounts required. What does this mean? This means that now Meta is introducing that if you want to actually have your personal account, you don't have to use this to work. For people like me that we used to work 9 to 5 jobs before we became entrepreneurs or freelancers or however we may want to call it, this was a standard thing. We were using our personal accounts in order to do specific jobs within Facebook or Instagram for the business that we were working for. Now Meta wants to change that. They want you to have a professional account, and you can have also your personal account as a personal account. And I'm going also to the next picture here that says, for example, here you can see one example that says Lisa at 4fabrics.com. So it's going to be it's going to be Konstantinos at emailmarketing.com, facebookads.com, something which is going to be the company. And it says, why use work accounts? Powerful and secure account management. With work accounts, organizations have more control over the security of their employees' accounts. Business will be able to manage their employees' work account and have access to enterprise-grade features like sign-ups or integrations. We will continue to expand availability throughout the rest of the year. So this is not something that is available for everyone. It's just for limited businesses. I have 2 remarks about that. So basically, what I have seen from my personal experience is also that there are a lot of times that there are people that they run the accounts from their personal account of a business, and then they leave the company and the company is left with nothing. So this is one thing, one reason that they're doing it. And for me, the most important reason is this: how does Facebook make the stock to keep increasing? By having new users. Well done, Facebook. Great idea of actually now taking all of us to have a professional account and a personal account. What does this mean? Double the amount of the accounts. What does this mean? That the stock is going to start rising again. Very clever idea from Meta. It's something like the same thing that Mark is doing into third world countries, trying to introduce internet there with infrastructure, which is going to help a lot of the people there. But guess what these people are going to do as soon as they have internet? They are going to make a Facebook ad account. And I think that this is a solution for Meta to actually start introducing a way of having new accounts always, because this was the way that the stock was expanding. And for me, it's going to be just another workspace for all of these people that they have a corporate email and this and that and that and that, and now they will need to have also a business account within Facebook. That's my remark about it, just a short update about it. I think it's a new feature, but after Facebook Business Suite, now the professional space and everything and the pages and stuff, it's just another interface that all of the employees should go into, and it's going to create a mess. I'm not against it. I really understand it because it protects the companies and their assets when you have professional accounts, the same way that you are not having your personal email sending emails for the company. You're using the corporate email. The same way they want to do it with all of these new accounts. And that's my update. I will see you in a future video, guys.